The goal of the following experiment is to train Drosophila melanogaster using a novel endurance exercise program and to assess the effects of exercise training. This is achieved by using an automated device that lifts and drops several vials of flies repetitively, activating the flies' instinctive climbing response and thus giving the flies a workout session. The flies are trained daily on a ramped schedule from 2 to 3 hours over a 3-week-long training period. Next, flies are subjected to various behavioural assays in order to measure the effects of exercise. Results show that exercise flies climb faster, as measured by the rapidly induced negative geotaxis or ring assay.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods, like endurance training other animals, is the extensive collection of tools available for manipulation of Drosophila genetics in the study of endurance exercise.
We first had the idea for this method when we were conducting many single negative geotaxis assays. We wondered how long flies could keep climbing and if we could endurance train them in this way.
The power tower is built on a rectangular piece of plywood that is clamped to a table. A 4.5 rotation per minute gear motor rests on several boards and is wired to a speed control, a fuse, and a power switch in a juncture box. A 3-inch fan, held in a metal tube, is directed at the motor for cooling. Connected to the motor is a rotating arm with a roller on the end. The motor and arm rotate